This is an emergency action notification requested by the United States government. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures for a national emergency. The President or his representative will shortly deliver a message to the public. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
We interrupt our regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KMOX. We will continue to serve the St. Louis area. If you are not in this local area, tune out to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the St. Louis area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming should be discontinued during this emergency. This is KMOX. We will continue furnishing news, official information, and instructions for the St. Louis area. If you are not in this local area, tune out to stations providing news and information for your local area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please pay attention to this alert, as this alert contains information pertaining to a very unfortunate situation that is taking place. A global state of emergency is now in effect for the entire planet of Earth. At approximately 7:21 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, thousands, possibly millions of meteors have been seen striking the planet, causing incredible damage to many major cities across the world. It is believed that these meteors were sent by entities of an unknown planet and origin. It is unknown of what the motive of this attack is at this time. Many buildings, skyscrapers, houses, people, and more have been seen being struck by meteors. It is believed that these meteors will continue to strike the world until no organism remains alive. There is no process viable enough to stop these meteors from impacting the world. Humanity is on the brink of extinction. Your death is surely inevitable. At this time, gather your loved ones, such as family and friends, and brace for inevitable extermination of humanity. If you are a human of religion, pray to your God or goddess, and repent. Do whatever makes you happy during your last days on planet Earth. If you wish to walk down peacefully, you may do so at this time. The President has chosen a quote from the Bible to play over the emergency alert system. Psalm 71:16. With the mighty deeds of the Lord God I will come. I will remind them of your righteousness, yours alone. We will now conclude this final activation of the emergency alert system with our national anthem. May God help us all.